Hello, hello, and welcome to another update video about Doge. Yeah, Doge climbed a little bit higher today. We're above 20 cents. We want to take a look at the bigger picture first before we dive into the micro, just to give you a good idea of the bigger picture before we dive into the micro structures. Don't want to talk about this in too much detail, but the bottom line is that we are likely in this fifth wave to the upside. Okay, we're printing higher highs and higher lows, not in very impulsive ways, but it looks like we are moving up in the third wave at the moment, more specifically wave C of 3. If really wave 4 bottomed in 2022 in June there at around 5 cents, then we're dealing with a diagonal pattern to the upside, because the initial wave 1 was clearly a 3-wave move, and the third wave is still unfolding, and we are likely dealing with an ABC structure because the wave 1 was an ABC, and the wave 5 would need to be an ABC as well. So that's one interpretation. There is a different interpretation where we say the wave 4 actually bottomed in 2023, but then this was not the lower low. This was a truncated low in that case. Yeah, I mean, it's possible then this year would have been a wave 1, wave 2, and we're actually also in a wave 3. So does it make a great difference? Not so much. It might change things along the way. If we see the need to change anything, we will. But for now, it is good to see that the price reacted to the main support region in August, and we're now moving up in this wave C of 3. There isn't the next, let's say the next target area is located between 34.4 and 84 cents. This is where I'd like to see that third wave ideally finish. I mean, I don't want to put a maximum target on a third wave. That would be ridiculous because third waves can extend, right? But this is a standard target zone. Of course, as you can see, it would make sense to reach the upper half of it, because if we don't and the third wave ends somewhere down here around 34 cents, which is technically possible, but then we would probably not get to all-time highs unless the fifth wave is extended. So we have to keep an open mind about how the microstructure can develop. But my idea is that we are still moving within this 5-wave pattern. And depending on what happens now, we could still be in an extended third within the first wave. Okay. So looking at the microstructure, where are we actually? Where is the... Oh, I might need to open it again unless I find it. Oh, there we go. There we go. So this is now the smaller time frame chart here on the 1 hour time frame. You can see this extended third wave to the upside, and we might still be in the third wave. I mean, we're now at around 21 cents again. I explained to you, let me zoom out a little bit, that this move to the upside, which started in August, looks like a diagonal pattern, a 5-wave move up. So that's playing out. 1, 2, third wave. We are still waiting for a clear fourth wave, hasn't happened yet. And then one more high in wave 5. Now, technically, we could be in the fourth wave, A, B, C. It would be an overshooting B wave that formed here. It could be an overshooting B wave that formed here. But with one more high, I call it an extension of the third wave. I did post it here in red, but it's possible that this third wave is simply extending, which wouldn't change anything. It would just mean we haven't broken support, so there's no confirmation over top, right? That's why I give you these support areas, because technically in these support areas, risk is low and reward is high. We have a micro support area here to which the price reacted. We're already leaving it to the upside. And actually it looks as if we are getting one more upside extension. And then I would call that an extended third. So that's how we do it, right? And then once this third is done, we get the fourth wave pullback. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Anything else? I don't think so. I think at the moment we have to watch for one more high. Then I will adjust the support area accordingly. Next upside levels, 23.1 cents and then 27.4. These are the next upside levels to watch. And if one more high forms, yeah, as I say, it's still a 3-wave move up. And I wouldn't get so focused on the micro structure, micro count. Best is to focus on the levels. And until we get the first break of an area, of a support area, there is no confirmed top in place, and we continue to focus on higher. Yeah. So also here, price reacted, one more high. I will then remove this support area and adjust this support area with the price. And then there might be another micro support signal level that if broken will tell us this fourth wave has started. But for now, the focus is, we're still printing higher highs and higher lows. That's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.